I'm going to show you how to update the year in the footer of the website, so it will automatically change every year. So at the moment, this is just the text. So we're going to duplicate this box, and we're going to create here. We can copy the back of it, the copyright, and we're going to insert dynamic tag. And we're looking for current date and time. And here on the left we have a settings where we can choose the date format. We can do custom. And we just want to leave the year. And now in advanced settings, after we can add the copyright. We need to add the space here. We can add anything before or fallback. And that's how you change the year in the footer to update automatically.